Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Today, like we've been doing for the last 16 years, my goal is to introduce you to showcase one of our really amazing, awesome tools that hopefully will be able to automate some part of your work, make your job a little bit easier, and hopefully make your overall life just a little bit easier. So the tool that we are going to go over today is a latitude and longitude converter, also known as a geocoder. It is a tool that will take addresses that uses Google Maps API. It's a tool built in Excel that takes addresses and converts them to geocodes, to latitudes and longitudes. And also we've got altitude there for those who need that. As all of my tools, this is built 100% in Excel, and it's extremely easy to use. One of my claim to fame is, for those who've been watching my videos, is that my goal is to build the easiest to use tool of its kind. If it takes longer than 3 steps, I always say, then it's too long. So to use the tool, again, what we're trying to do is generate latitudes and longitudes from a list of addresses in Excel. So in this case, like in this example, we have a list of these addresses. One thing you'll notice is that we have a combination of full addresses, like in this case. We also can use zip codes. The tool, because it uses Google Maps API, it can use zip codes, and also we can use something like cities. Obviously, to get more accurate latitudes and longitudes, you will need a full address, but it is not required, it is not necessary. So once we do that, all we have to do is click on the conveniently located generate button. Again, it should not take longer than 3 steps, and the tool will automatically generate into your spreadsheet latitude, longitude, and the altitude in this case. And really, it should be as simple as that. We've been building these tools. You're welcome to go over what we've built. We've got over a few dozen tools, over 50 tools into my website. And feel free to kind of browse through the products. And while you're there, make sure that you browse through a lot of the reviews that we have on Google. I believe as of now we have almost 120 reviews, and they're all 5-star. I believe there's one gentleman there that wasn't quite happy with what he had and left a bad review. The rest of the 120 reviews are all 5 stars, and they all talk about how much easier their life's been by using our tools, and how much easy this tool has made their process. So make sure that you check those out. And every week I get at least a couple of emails telling me about how much they appreciate my tool and how easy they are to use. Thanks again for watching this video. If you've got any questions, by all means, I got one more thing for you. Please make sure to give me a call. I've got here my phone number. I've got my email. Yes, I do answer the phone. You can call me directly if you've got any questions, and I'd be more than happy to go over with you any questions or concerns, or maybe you need something that it's a little bit different than what you're seeing here. I'd be more than happy to build that for you. Thank you again for watching this, and until next time.